Big hello from Funan IT Mall. Today I'm going to be exploring this place for a while. So join me in this adventure. Funan Mall is known as the IT Mall in Singapore. The other IT Mall in Singapore is the Sim Lim Square, in Bugis, but this is in the City Hall area. I'm now in basement 2, so I'm really excited to check it out because this place has been revamped. It's no longer the old type of like Funan Mall. He has many things, restaurants and even toy shops, so many stuff. I'm just excited to share and do this video together. So let's go. On the right side there's a roti boy, and today is weekday. The time is about 5 p.m. so the office crowd has not arrived to makan yet, to eat. So I have more space to explore myself. Ya Kun here. If you guys are looking for a job that allows you to wear singlet, apply for the elite supplement. The staff is wearing singlet. Oh my god, there are a lot of restaurants and choices here. Subway, Mala Tang. Breakfast, coffee and toast, Sushi Express, Staff tea, and so much more. There's rock climbing here, man. I think 10 meters. And a food court called the Big Appetite. I think it's nice because I'm also looking for food court. Mala hot pot, Korean cuisine, and the Cai Peng. Basement 1, more restaurants, and there's an NTUC here also. The corner. Wow, so far basement 2 and 1, all the food, but I'm starting to see hair salon here. Hey, that wall is taller than I thought, man. That is 10 meters, that one is 20 meters. They call Crumb Central. Wow, it's no joke, no play. So NTUC is just in front. The classic example. People call but no staff here to answer. Wow, 香夫人 Fancy stir-fried Hunan cuisine. Many kind of free thing, free side dishes, takeaway balls. 25 minutes OT? What do you mean by that? Oh yeah, what's next, man? Hakabon. There's a barber shop here. $20 premium haircut. Oh, this. There's a men's vest here. What is Maji Curry, man? And there's kind of a mascot above. Maji Curry. Basically, chicken curry. It's like a monster curry. Came in. Lots of restaurants. Actually, this concept around, this layout is similar to Bangkok, some of the malls. I'm not sure who copied who. It's on the sides of the mall, right? There are a lot of restaurants. I saw this sign, do not leave your bike unattended. So actually, cyclists can come in. And there's a bicycle shop here. Simple Po, the name. Simple Po cakes. I think I saw McDonald's also. What a nice place. Look very like futuristic. Wow, this is the view from the second floor. I like the staircase. It's not a regular just go up. It actually has some kind of shape over there. It's from science fiction, Robocop or something. So from here, right, there's a Fort Canning Lane Bridge just right in front, and there's a best tanking here as well. There are Challenger here as well. You can even buy iPhones. Ellen Photo. Wow. Retail sales executive up to 4,000 a month. The pay is quite high. Cameras. With Asus also. gaming laptops and more. The courts are right here. I remember coming to Funan to shop for laptops. But then at that time, it wasn't so nice. I mean, the shops, they don't have much variety of shop, and the layout of the mall was just very basic one. And now it's improved to so many stuff here. It's really an upgrade. Even here, selling some TV or something. Game. This is level 3, by the way. This one quite nice. MRT station keychain, buy 2 at $25. Have a dream here. Nikon Experience Hub. So can go and try it out, try an area, right? And there's a silly mattress here. Wow, there's some game pro shop here, man. They sell a lot of laptops. It's just amazing. Look at it, man. Flight Experience Simulator. Wow. Buy 4 get 2 free. There's a DJI shop in front as well. It's amazing, you know, like the DJI Pro 3 and more. They have drones as well. But in Singapore, you need a license to fly the drones. We have a nice rock school here. Look at the amount of guitars and the drums. There's even a piano. Oh, there's karaoke here called Pure K. Look at the rooms. It looks nice, right? The atas. And here the Wild Rice. Ngee Pongsi Theatre. Oh man, there's an urban farm. Let's go up. Green Capsule, Alpha Theta. I think I saw some of the VR games right over there. Before that, there's another drum strap studio. 3 drums. And this is the gym. Remember last time it's the kind of like VR game. And this is a restaurant, is it? LYF. Hey, LYF seems to be a kind of hotel, man. People are checking in over there. It's definitely a hotel. People are checking in. It's really a check-in one, hotel, man. Top floor there's a Cinema Golden Village. Very old school mall already. And on the right side, you can buy the ticket. Right here. The architecture is very special. Now it's sloping downwards, man. Oh, there's a nice view of the Marina Bay Sands. Oh man, it's awesome, man. But the lift is long. I waited for 5 minutes to come out here. Singapore Flyer, Raffles City. And aerobics over there.